Philips Norelco HP6350 Moi for Me Women's Electric Shaver. HP6350. 1. Pivoting head, follows your curves and contours, even in hard to shave areas. 2. Hypo-Allergenic Foil, with 2 built-in trimmers helps prevent skin irritations. 3. Jojoba Glider, easily glides without friction for shaving comfort. Natural jojoba oil leaves your skin feeling satiny smooth. Effective for lifetime of foil. 3-in-1 comfort protection. A close and comfortable shave without the nicks and cuts of a blade. Shaves wet or dry, wet shower shaving with or without soaps or gels. Dry shave anywhere, anytime. Convenient transparent shower hanging hook. Features: HP6350 rechargeable cordless razor, ergonomic handle designed for holding comfort and handling ease, water resistant fully submersible, charging base and shower hanging hook. All listed. Full 2-year warranty. This cordless, electric wet and dry shaver acts and feels like a blade, but protects your skin like an electric. Its pivoting head follows the curves and contours of your body for a close, safe shave even in difficult areas. It's built with a hypoallergenic shaving foil with 2 built-in trimmers, which helps to prevent skin irritation and rashes. Plus, the jojoba-coated glider reduces friction so you get a more comfortable shave. This product comes with a shower hanging hook, a luxury lay-down charging stand, and a 60-day money-back guarantee from the manufacturer. BIC Soleil Shimmers System Starter Kit Shaver, Women, 1. For women who define themselves through the products they purchase, BIC Soleil System is the fun, fashionable brand that lets me express my individual style with confidence. BIC's new Pivot 4-blade system shaver comes with 4 movable blades on spring fingers that allow you to provide pressure where you need it so you can get the optimal skin contact. A soothing moisture strip of cocoa butter for improved skin hydration. Lastly, the rubber fins stretch the skin for improved closeness. Pandita 3 PCS Face and Eyebrow Hair Razors Trimmer Shaper. I am big on finding the best deals for whatever it is I have set out to purchase. I was a little upset that one of them had things sticking out in different directions, which makes it hard to shave and not cute yourself around that area. However, you must also take into consideration that most others cost the amount for one of these as this one does for 3, so in the end you are still winning. Touch Beauty Mini Rotary Shavers for Women Wet Dry Shave Face Arm Body. This is an okay shaver. I got it hoping it would be a nice alternative than a razor, especially for when I travel. I have found that this did not meet my expectations, but will work in an emergency. It is not for legs or large areas. It works great for areas with light or thin hair, not coarse or thick hair, or if you waited too long and it's longer hair. It works great for face and is recommended for arms as well. I personally don't shave my arms, so I haven't tried that. You have to go over the area a couple of times to get all the hairs, and I have found a circular motion works best. It is great for hair on my face, or quick touch-ups. I wouldn't recommend it for precision work like eyebrows. I would also take the battery out between uses since it tears on very easily, which I found when closing the drawer I put it on. It doesn't leave skin as smooth as a razor, but is great for travel or those quick touch-ups when you are in a hurry. Can be used wet or dry with no issues. Uses only 1 AA battery. Nice product. I received this product at a discounted price in exchange for my honest and unbiased review.